Hi everyone, it's Lavinia. I just wanted to share with you our room for a stay here in beautiful Sedona, Arizona. This is a king room. It has a balcony, sitting area, wardrobe, tray with some mints on there. And then the bathroom here is just off the entrance. There's a jetted tub, pedestal sink, very well appointed. And let's go ahead and take a look outside. So just to show you, this is the view that we have right now of the creek and the red rocks. And this door goes outside. There's a small little balcony with a couple of chairs. And the creek right down there. Isn't that gorgeous? So we're just on a little getaway retreat for one night. All right, thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you soon. Bye.